Google Lens combines very powerful AI computer vision technology with Google's massive search and knowledge systems. It's incredibly fast, it is impressively accurate, and you need to know about it. So I'm about to show you everything that you could possibly know about Google Lens. Let's go. So once you have the Google app on your device, you can either access Google Lens here if you see the search bar, or you simply go to Google and then you search for something. So in my case, it's Hoboken, New Jersey. And then I'm gonna click on the Google Lens icon here. Once I do that, you're gonna see this screen pop up where you can literally point to anything. And what we're gonna explore is the search feature here. So what I'll do is I'll click on the magnifying lens here, and you see that now it's telling me about my lamp. It has it as a Tiffany style lamp, which is accurate. I'll try searching for something a little bit easier, like this microphone here. I'll select search. And you see how it created this rectangle here that's nice and clear? I can actually expand it or lessen it depending on what I am trying to look for. So to be helpful, I'm gonna select the entire microphone. And then if I scroll down, you will see that it accurately detected the exact microphone that I was hoping for. And this is really helpful because then I could see the prices of it. And now I have shifted over to the garage, and what I'm gonna show you is my favorite feature within Google Lens, and that's the translate feature. So first you have to select translate, and then you simply point to any image and it will literally translate everything for you into that language. Now, if you want to change the language, you simply select it here. So in my case, I said translate to Spanish, but if now I want to translate to, let's say, Bengali, I can simply click it and you will see that it automatically translates to Bengali. Look at how quickly it does it. So I'm now going to show you the live feature, which you can access by clicking here. And now I could simply start talking to it. So I could say, what is this and how much does it cost?
I see an Eagle 5-gallon Type 1 safety can, model UI50FS. It's made of galvanized steel and is designed for storing and pouring flammable liquids like gasoline. This type of can is known for its durability and safety features, such as a self-closing lid and flame arrestor. Based on a recent online search, the price typically ranges from $70 to $90.
So here's another example. I'm gonna turn on live and I'm gonna point to my cat and I will say, what breed of cat is this?
The cat I'm seeing here appears to be a Russian blue. The breed is known for its blue-gray coat and green eyes.
So that's actually very correct. This is a Russian blue, and she's my baby girl, and her name is Mousy, and you'll be seeing more of her on the channel. So now I'm going to show you the last feature on here, and that's the create feature right there. So once I click it, you will see that it now gives me some interesting options of what I can do with this image of me. So if I say dress me as a banana, you'll see that it opens up the AI mode platform of Google, and it simply shortcuts it by inputting my image and asking for an image of me dressed up as a banana. So here you can see it right here. It dressed me up as a banana. I'm not happy about it. I'm not going to include it on my cover photo, but I suppose it did a good job of it. So that is basically a shortcut to take you to AI mode where you can ask for certain things. If you want, you can select the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner. And then from here, you can actually add it to home screen and it will create a Google Lens shortcut so that you can add it onto your home screen. These artificial intelligence tools aren't going anywhere, so we may as well get acquainted with them, understand how we could get the most out of them, how we can leverage them to be more efficient, to streamline our daily tasks, and this way we can save the most valuable asset that we have in this world, which is our time. Hopefully I helped you out with this tutorial. If I did, do me a favor, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next video.